Sure. I mean, you saw it last night. I mean, we also got to give credit to Sundowns, and well done. They're going to be here, tomorrow. They're arriving at the airport tonight. When you see that wave, does it excite you? And I'll throw this to you, Andre, as well as yourself, Keshes, is that when you see such a hostile crowd and you know that you're not wanted there, we've seen the tricks, the falling, the looking for easy calls from the referee and so on. What does that say to you about the level of this Champions League on the continent?
I always say, Rob, you don't win Champions League or play Champions League matches on the field only.
Yes.
There's a lot of games that are played outside of the field. First, you must conquer all these fights that happened, the skirmishes that you face, the hostility that you encounter before you play the match. Once your team can conquer that, the flight, how you're flying there. Because remember, if you're playing in Morocco, I don't think there's a direct flight from SA to Morocco. So you must go via Doha if you're going the normal way, or you must have a charter flight. These are all the dynamics that will, if you have the experience, like I think the Sundowns has.
But Sundowns had a charter flight, but they were not given the landing rights and the permission to land at the Mohammed V International Airport. So, and I'm agreeing with you to say, even if you go commercial, there's going to be a problem. Your luggage will go missing. Kit goes missing, and then they say, sorry, you don't have the right kit. How are you going to get the kit there? Or if you have a charter flight, they say, sorry, we don't have the rights to land. So there's a lot of things that you have to. But do you think, though, that mentally, psychologically, and from a learnership perspective, you'll be ready next season?
We have faced these circumstances, I think, in all encounters when I've been in this club. I don't think there's a Champions League match or where we did not face such challenges. I thought the team, even when I addressed the team when we played to Lupopo, I said the same thing. Whatever will happen there, we have seen it before. So we should not be really disturbed by what is going to happen. They plan it. I'm not sure how they coach it. From the supporters to the hotel to one country where the aircons, where they put gas on the aircons. They play the game. It becomes so much that as a team, you must have the capacity to remove the outside, allow the players to perform in the field of play. And I thought maybe Sundowns have mastered that art of eliminating what is not football and then deal with what is football inside the field of play.
Good evening.